Welcome to Learn English with a Little Scary Story, A1. Today we will listen to a short, mysterious story, The Lost Balloon. Put on your headphones, relax, and listen carefully. The Lost Balloon. It is a warm evening. Tom walks in the park. He has a red balloon. The balloon is big and round. He likes it very much. The sun is going down. The sky is orange and pink. Birds fly in the sky. Tom is happy. Suddenly, the wind is strong. It blows the balloon from Tom's hand. "Oh no!" Tom says. "My balloon!" The balloon flies high in the sky. Tom runs after it. He runs fast, but the balloon goes over the trees. Tom stops near the old forest. It is dark inside. He hears strange sounds. "Who is there?" he asks. A small fox appears. It looks at Tom. Its eyes are bright. The fox moves slowly. Tom sees the balloon in the tree. It is stuck on a branch. "Can you help me?" he asks the fox. The fox moves closer. Then it jumps. The balloon moves, but it does not fall. Tom tries to climb the tree. He is careful. The branch is small. He reaches the balloon. Suddenly, the wind blows again. The balloon flies higher. Tom loses it. He falls on the ground. "Oh no!" Tom cries. "I lose my balloon!" The fox runs to Tom. It looks like it wants to help. Tom is scared, but he sees something strange. The balloon comes back. It flies slowly. The fox jumps again. This time, the balloon falls in front of Tom. "Thank you," Tom says. "You are my hero." The fox looks at Tom and then runs back into the forest. Tom smiles. He holds the balloon and walks home. At home, he tells his mother, "I lost my balloon, but a fox helped me." His mother laughs. "You are lucky, Tom." That night, Tom sleeps with the balloon. He dreams of the fox and the forest. He thinks, "Tomorrow, I will go back to the park and say hello to the fox." Today, we learned new words: balloon, forest, fox, and branch. Try to use them in sentences. We practiced the present simple. Tom walks in the park. Past simple. The balloon flew from his hand. And questions. Who is there? Thank you for listening. Practice the new words and grammar. See you next time for another simple story. Maybe it will be a little mysterious, but fun.